Good morning. Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea, the setup and trade plan for July 26, 2018, Thursday. First, I want to apologize for missing yesterday, but I was feeling under the weather, and so I took a day off. It is what it is. Today's featured trade idea will be Big Lots, BIG. We can see that that Big is in a rounded bottom breakout, and after the first run here of the rounded bottom breakout has consolidated a nice tight consolidation right above the breakout level, and it is holding that. Let's go out to a weekly chart, maybe. TC 2000 will cooperate. So you can see the breakout level there is fairly well defined as a support and a resistance level. Our next level up here will be this area in sort of the top of the waterfall that is well defined, and then the second target will be up here at these previous highs that match up fairly well. So going back to the daily, this is what our what our trend looks like, and this is what the breakout run and consolidation looks like. So let's move our entry over. As you can see, it's been on my list a few days. Where is our V-stop saying? 42.37. So V-stop is saying a little bit below there. Let's move that down a touch. It snaps around in TC 2000. That's almost dead money there. And let's look for a breakout entry here. So we're talking about 3.5% stop with a first target up here at about 7%. So that would probably work. Let's go ahead and plan out our trade. We can see that Big should not report. I believe, well, this says about the 1st of September. I believe another source, my brokerage, had said that it was expected around 825 or something, 824. So be on the conservative side, but at least that gives us several weeks to work with here. We've got five bullish factors working in our favor, no bearish factors. We've got that rounded bottom breakout, the higher highs and higher lows, but we do not have a signal as of today, just that tight consolidation. So if we look at an entry of, let's call it 43.65, a nickel over where it closed. And I believe I said 42.37 as a stop, with the first target up here about 46.85, and the second target up there around 50.15. And keep in mind that it's going to have to get through the 200-day moving average to get to that second target. So we've got to focus on making our goal by that first target price. 120 shares is too big for this account. I don't think 100 shares is even going to help that much. Still 4.25%. For argument's sake, let's say that we can live with that. If we sold half of the position at that first target, we'd make a little over, let's call it 7.33%, 2.5 to 1, and we would make most of our goal, not all of it, but most of our goal. which would, if we had to sell the whole position there, we've got to reach 47.15, so just above that first target to make the entire position, a little over 8%. But if we held on to half of it and we got most of the way to that $50 target, we would certainly make our goal for the trade, and we could pick up $485 of profit. So that's the trade that I will look at today. Please consider that versus your view of the market, your trading style, criteria, and rules. If you take it, just be aware we need to get that profit off as quickly as possible. We need to have a tight stop when we get up here above this first target. We're really looking to book our profit and make our goal someplace up in here. But if we were able to hold on to that second target, we could get almost 3.8 to 1. So 2.5 to 1 to the first target, 3.8 to 1 overall, selling half here and half at the second target. But we're looking really to make our trade goal just above that first target. Is where we need to get to. So that will be our trade for the day. If you take it, I wish you the best of luck. I wish you the best of luck in the market regardless, and we hope to see you in the trading room.